Calamai Upgrade Broom and Dustpan Set Review. The Calamai Upgrade Broom and Dustpan Set is a game changer for keeping your space spotless. Featuring innovative self-cleaning dustpan teeth, it effortlessly removes dirt and hair from the broom without the mess. Its ergonomic design and sturdy handle make sweeping a breeze, whether indoors or outdoors. The large capacity dustpan ensures less frequent emptying, while the compact design makes storage easy. Crafted with durable materials, this set is built to last, saving you money in the long run. Say goodbye to bending over and hello to a cleaner home with less effort. It's the perfect addition to any cleaning routine. The GlowQ-Scent Booklight is a game changer for avid readers and crafters. Featuring 3 color modes and 6 adjustable brightness levels, it provides perfect lighting for any situation. The bendable neck design allows for effortless adjustment, ensuring comfort and convenience during use. With an incredible 80-hour battery life, this rechargeable lamp is perfect for extended sessions of reading, knitting, camping, or repairing. Its soft, non-intrusive light is ideal for bedtime reading without disturbing others. Lightweight and portable, it's a thoughtful gift for book lovers. Elevate your nighttime activities with this versatile and reliable light. The 6-quart Whisper Quiet Instant Pot Duo Plus is a 9-in-1 wonder designed to simplify your cooking. Whether pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming rice, sautéing, or even making yogurt, it delivers perfect results every time. Its stainless steel finish ensures durability and easy cleaning, while the Whisper Quiet operation keeps your kitchen serene. The free app with 800+ recipes unlocks endless culinary possibilities for beginners and pros alike. This all-in-one appliance is also a warmer and sterilizer, making it indispensable for busy households. Save time, effort, and counter space with this sleek multifunctional marvel. Immersion Blender Handheld Corded 1100 watts, your ultimate kitchen companion. Ecolution patented Micro-Pop microwave popcorn popper with temperature-safe glass. The Ecolution Micro-Pop popcorn popper is a game changer for snack lovers. Made with temperature-safe borosilicate glass, it ensures even heating for perfectly popped kernels every time. Say goodbye to greasy microwave bags. This eco-friendly option lets you enjoy fresh popcorn with little to no oil. The innovative dual-function lid measures kernels and doubles as a butter melter for a deliciously indulgent treat. Its compact design is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Whether it's movie night or a quick snack, this popper delivers convenience and healthier options. Elevate your popcorn game with Ecolution today. Experience the ultimate in audio convenience with these wireless earbuds Bluetooth headphones. Boasting an impressive 80 hours of playback, they ensure uninterrupted entertainment during your busiest days. The power display keeps you informed of battery life, while the noise-canceling mic ensures crystal-clear calls. Designed for sports, workouts, and running, their snug fit provides maximum comfort and security. The sleek black design adds a modern, stylish touch to your gear. These earbuds deliver rich, immersive sound, perfect for music lovers and active lifestyles. Upgrade your audio game today with these must-have headphones.